Hey YouTube, you back with Adria Says, and this time we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a little cooking segment because I'm hungry and I'm cheap. So y'all, I've been feeling like Chipotle for a while, so I made up a little cheat recipe. Don't mind the outfit because I wear anything in the summer, so we're gonna get into it. We making a chicken rice bowl. Now I'm gonna change. Being in college, you basically just eating out every day, all day. So I'm trying to change that, especially when you gotta work. I'm trying to be on the go a lot. So I'm trying to cut back on fast food. And all that stuff. So I got corn that I already put in the bowl, some rice. I need to season it. I got an avocado because I love avocados. Chicken. Should I add pineapple? It's so cute. I got this from work yesterday. The deal was either buy 2 of the 12 Gatorade packs and you get this free, or you just buy it separate. I just buy it separate. Somebody's like, what sport you play? I like sports and that's it. If you know a movie that's from You and Me. Yeah. But we're gonna use this canned chicken. I hope this chicken good. Hold up. Ew. March 2021. Alright. I'm sorry, but I hate the smell of canned chicken, canned tuna, all that until you season it up. So that's the rice. Y'all don't even want to know how this is set up. Booby trap. So I don't add much seasonings or whatever to my stuff. But I use adobo and Mrs. Dash. I probably need to heat this up some more. I also add obey, but that's my preference. This ain't neat like I wanted it. Whatever. It depends. I'm the type that don't like my food touching, but it depends on what type of food it is. Clear that up. So far, there's no salt, which is good for you, and soul food seasoning. Usually, I put it in the skillet pan, whatever you call it. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put it in the microwave because it's already cooked. So the chicken is cooking and I'll probably take it out in a minute, but I'm gonna cut up this avocado. Chilling with the top down, screaming like I gotta get it. When you're too lazy to get the cupboard. Ooh. I love avocados. Like, people be like, it's so nasty, it doesn't have a taste. You put seasonings in it, duh. Mash it on this. Keep yourself from me. Like, it's so good for you. It's the good fat. This my jam. What? Get it. If you know what movie that's from, I rock with you the long way too. To be honest, I just eat avocado just like this. Just like that. Okay, so I think this is good. A little, no salt in there. And I'm gonna put a little more adobo on there. Adobo from the Goya. Got my sour cream and I got some salsa. It looks better than it did. Let's see. Man, we don't even have no cheese. I forgot. Oh well. Y'all. I put chips on my tacos and all that stuff because it adds more flavor. Should I do like a taste test? Chipotle who? I'm sorry, what? I don't know what that is. Now it's really about to pop. Cooking with DRI. No. Meals on a budget. Thank you for watching Adria Says. It's been a fun segment. Like, comment, subscribe for me. If you like this video, let me know. I got more cooking ideas for the low. So, like, comment, subscribe for me. Turn on your post notifications. Look at my other videos. All that. Bye, YouTube. Sally.
I can tell from your vibe that you digging me. See it in your